Okay, this is a review of a knife made by Leatherman. I'm not sure the name because it doesn't say anywhere on the box or on the papers it comes with. So, here, unbox it. I already opened it and looked at it and stuff. Comes with a package. A nice package for your belt. Leatherman. Hopefully that's what the knife looks like. Comes with instructions of what the tools are on it and stuff. And it comes with this little case with a file on it, diamond coated. And a screwdriver for a tool. So the case, it's good quality. The Velcro here doesn't rip off or anything. Has 28 tools. Tells you all their names, how to use them and stuff. This is a file. It's the normal file side right there. And this is diamond coated for I'm not sure what. So open it up. Has the pliers there. Here. Sorry. Has big screwdriver. Whatever this thing is, not sure. And this really tiny screwdriver. Really tiny. Here, there's. Oh yeah, and to open the knife, if you have these open, you have to close these. To do that, it has a safety right here. Just push down on that, and they all close. Like that. Really good. Okay, for the knife, hard to open. There. Big knife, really sharp. So careful. Safety is right there. Has a lock on it. You just push down that to close it. You only have to push it once and close it a bit, and then you can open the whole thing. Here, it's little saw, whatever. It's pretty sharp. Lots of little ticks on it, whatever those are. Okay, this side for the little tools, it has a screwdriver for whatever that's for. But what you have to be careful is, if you're ever taking the screwdrivers out, you have to be careful because right here, there's a little tiny metal piece that bends really easy. And if it bends too much, it won't hold this here because there's like a little tick. See it right in the middle there? If it doesn't hit that, it just pulls out really easy. So that happened to mine. So I tried bending it and stuff back, but it didn't work. So I just put plasticine that holds it in pretty good. Also, it has bottle opener right there. It has another knife, but it has these little grooves on it, pattern, and what most knives have now, scissors. They're pretty sharp, they can cut through paper, I don't know, maybe cardboard. So, yeah, it has the wire cutters, and it has the coating that wires have, it has to strip that off on one of the tools. Forget. So, yeah, I'm not sure how expensive this was, because I got it for my birthday. So, yeah, it has 28 tools. This is the wrong one. It's the. Oh wait, no, this is it. See all the tools, everything, different ways to open it and stuff. So yeah, it's really good, really sharp. Stainless steel. It's really strong. The file's really good. It's pretty sharp, but I don't really use it ever. Had it for like a few days. So yeah, it's really good quality. Be good if you're going camping or stuff. So yeah, please comment and watch my other videos. Thanks.